Washington, Tegucigalpa. The United States will send ventilators to 3 countries in Latin America, Ecuador, El Salvador and Honduras, as well as to Indonesia, President Donald Trump said on Friday, as the coronavirus pandemic has devastated countries around the world. Trump wrote on Twitter that the United States will send Ecuador ventilators, of which it had manufactured many. The poor South American nation has been hard hit by the pandemic, which has overwhelmed health services in its largest city, Guayaquil. Trump said Washington would also help in other, unspecified, ways. He also promised support to Honduran President Juan Orlando Hernández, who had requested help with ventilators and testing. Hernández said he had spoken to Trump and also sought help getting debt relief for poor countries. Honduras has not benefited from recent debt relief deals, mainly aimed at African countries. The United States will also ship ventilators, machinery used to help coronavirus victims breathe, to El Salvador, Trump said. In tweets announcing the assistance, Trump praised the 2 Central American countries for helping his efforts to curb illegal immigration. Trump had slashed U.S. foreign aid to the region, and the burst of largesse followed well-publicized Chinese shipments of protective equipment to Latin American nations from Argentina to Mexico. It was unclear whether Trump's generosity came in response to China's aid offerings. Washington has traditionally regarded Latin America as its sphere of influence, but in recent years, China has made inroads there with loans and investment, and has convinced a number of small nations to drop their support for Taiwan. Those advances have triggered U.S. ire, with Washington warning governments that Chinese help may come with strings attached. The latest U.S. aid extended beyond the Western Hemisphere. In a call on Friday, Indonesia's President Joko Widodo had asked for respiratory equipment, which we will provide, as well, Trump wrote. Last week, Trump pledged to help Mexico substantially with ventilators and also offered to send them to Iran. Pakistan said Trump pledged U.S. support on Wednesday by making ventilators available to fight the disease and offered to send the latest rapid testing machine. The United States has worked furiously to produce ventilators after the country's rapidly rising infections exposed a shortage. Now, experts are forecasting a decline in U.S. need for the devices, and the administration has said the machines will be sent to other countries in need.